All right, we've got two slope and y-intercept questions to go over, so let's read the first one and get started. What is the slope and the y-intercept of the linear equation below? All right, so we've mentioned this in class. The most important thing is to make sure you know this formula. All right, so m is my slope, and b, whether that's plus or minus, b is the y-intercept. So if I am looking for the slope, let's see if we can't grab a different color here. If I'm looking for the slope, that's this part right here. It's 1/5. It does not include the x. It is just the 1/5. Then when I'm looking for the y-intercept, that's all of that. If there was a plus, it would be a positive number, but since there's a minus, it's a negative number. All right? And sometimes it really is just as simple as that. But sometimes you have to find the slope and y-intercept from looking at a graph. All right? And when I have something like this, I always start with the y-intercept because I think that's easier. And my brain likes to do the easy part first. So this is my y-axis. And I want to know, where do those two red lines intersect? Where is the diagonal line touching that y-axis? And the answer is it's touching right here at -2. So -2 is my y-intercept. Now, when I count slope, I have to find another point. And since they don't give me any, you can pick any other point that you want. Usually what I do is I go from the y-intercept and then I travel to the right until I find another point. In this case, it would be that point right there. You can use a different point, but I'm going to use that one, okay? And I'm going to use that point to help me count the slope. Starting with the y-intercept, I go down 3 and over 1. So my slope is -3 over 1. But, and this is the reason I've had Desmos open this whole time, I can make that answer look prettier. So I'm going to do -3 divided by 1, and that just equals -3. So the best way to write the slope is -3. It wouldn't be wrong if you did it the other way, but this is the best way to do it. All right, great job.